Yo, what's up everybody? It's Daniel here. Remember back at WWDC when Tim Cook was on that stage hyping up Apple Intelligence? This changes everything, he said. Well, 6 months and one iPhone 16 launch later, where is it? We got an iPhone with a faster chip, yeah, a slightly better camera, sure. But Apple Intelligence? Non-existent. Did they straight up lie to us? Or is this just Apple taking the scenic route to a revolution? We're gonna dive deep into what Apple give us, what's hot garbage, and the one feature that actually lives up to the hype. At WWDC, Apple promised AI that would revolutionize your iPhone. 6 months later, the iPhone 16 launched with 0 of those features. 0. So, did Apple lie? Or is this just the world's slowest revolution? Let's break it down. And I'll show you the one feature that actually slaps. First up, let's talk about Apple's attempt at AI writing tools. You know, the ones that are supposed to help you write emails and stuff. Let me tell you, using these tools is like having that one coworker who's always trying to help, but just ends up making things worse. You ask for a simple professional email, and they hit you with 3 paragraphs of per my last communication nonsense. It's almost impressive how bad it is. Like, did they even test this stuff with real humans? It feels like they just fed a bunch of corporate jargon into an algorithm and called it a day. Honestly, I'd rather write my emails with my toes than use these smart tools. Next on the chopping block, notification summaries. We all get bombarded with notifications, right? So Apple's big solution is to summarize them? Sounds good in theory, but in practice, it's about as useful as a screen protector made of saran wrap. You get this little notification that says something like, you have 12 social updates. Okay, great. What are they? Who are they from? Do I even care? This summary tells you absolutely nothing. It's like Apple's AI is saying, yeah, you've got stuff going on, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. That's a secret. And then there's Genmoji. This is Apple's answer to, I don't even know what. Basically, it lets you create custom emoji. Groundbreaking, right? Like the world was just for a crying clown emoji that looks vaguely like me. I mean, I guess it's kind of cool if you're really into emoji and have way too much time on your hands. But is this really what we need AI for? To make slightly more personalized poop emojis? Come on, Apple. You're better than this. Or are you? Are the clowns for even expecting more? Chapter 4, the one win. Okay, enough negativity. Let's talk about the one Apple Intelligence feature that actually slaps the photo cleanup tool. This thing is straight up magic. I mean, it can delete people from your photos better than my ex deleted my texts after I caught her cheating. Seriously, it's that good. I've been testing it against Google's version, and the difference is night and day. Google's tool leaves these weird, ghostly remnants of the people you're trying to erase. But Apple's? Gone. Vanished. Like they were never even there. If this is the future of photo editing, sign me up. Chapter 5. Now, let's talk about Siri. Apple promised us a smarter, more capable Siri with this new wave of AI. So what did we get? Siri passing the buck to other AI assistants. That's right. You ask Siri to do something like book a flight, and it's like, oh, that's a little too complicated for me. Let me just ask ChatGPT to handle that. So basically, Apple's big AI innovation is outsourcing. It's like they just slapped a new coat of paint on Siri and called it a day. Chapter 6. But here's the thing, there's actually a secret win buried in all of this. Remember how I said the iPhone 16 has a faster chip? Well, it also has double the RAM of the previous generation. And you know why? Because Apple's AI needs all that extra power to run. So in a way, we have Apple Intelligence to thank for finally getting the hardware upgrades we've been wanting. It's like they accidentally did something right. Chapter 7. So where does that leave us? Apple says the real, true Apple Intelligence experience is coming in 2025. But after this underwhelming rollout, I'm not holding my breath. Fool me once, Apple, and all that. What do you guys think? Am I being too harsh? Are you excited for the future of Apple Intelligence? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you think Apple is spending more time playing catch-up than leading the pack, hit that like button. Outer look, I want Apple to succeed with AI as much as the next tech enthusiast. But this rollout felt rushed, half-baked, and honestly, kind of embarrassing. It's like they saw what everyone else was doing and panicked. The potential is there, but right now, Apple Intelligence feels more like artificial disappointment. Hopefully, they can turn things around in 2025, but until then, I'm sticking with the features that actually work.